Alright, it's your boy bringing you an unboxing video of a super relevant, never before seen, totally didn't find it in the back of my closet or anything, FF7 first class stuff. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Damn, that's a good looking cloud. Why doesn't mine look like that? The hands don't work. I can't put the sword in. Like, what is going on? Okay, this took an embarrassing amount of time to make, but at least it looked like something. So, man, here's the thing. Here's the cloud. There's a sword on the back. Something like that. This side over here. And oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't see shit. Alright, so yeah. That's it. It's Cloud on a bike. And yeah. I have a place for you on a shelf for display, I'm gonna call it. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you.
Oh my god.
I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should.